So my son's not well, so I had to take no pay leave today. His body's still hot. I'm also not feeling all that great today. My son to the doctor's. It's a bit close to the afternoon. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Come. No, doctor, you're sick. You need to go see doctor.
Oh, doctor.
Doctor.
No.
Come, let's go. Let's go. Play that later. Are you sure you're sick? Huh? Later go home, we take the obat, okay? Why not obat? We take obat.
Obat.
Take obat.
Obat.
Oh yeah, we just saw the doctor. Apparently he has flu. He still has fever. A bit. We're here. I thought I'd just pay a visit to this coffee shop that just opened or reopened. Well, looks good. Like, the place is clean. It's not as hot as it was last time. Let's try the food. I bought mirabos and like rice and some chicken with my son. Makan. Yeah, the mirabos was nice, and my son ate the rice, which means that the rice was also nice. I say I recommend the place because it's not. We only have like one choice in my estate, which is the Anchorvale estate, for Malay food. It's not amazing, but it's good enough, I guess. Yeah, so I'm gonna like try and get my son to sleep now. You know, so that he has enough rest, he'll recover well. He'll be ready for school on Thursday. Alright, you can play your phone for a while. Coughing.
Eventually.
Time is about 4 o'clock. Finally managed to get him to sleep. Now I gotta get on to editing my videos that I took yesterday and hopefully upload them today.
3 hours later.
So my wife wants me and my son to meet her outside. You're too noisy. Softer. He seems better, so yeah, why not? We're going to
Farmville. To Kai.
we wait and see, okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Eh? No. son is sleeping now. I hope he gets better. He seems better. He's still coughing, but yeah, I hope he recovers. There's still a day tomorrow. He doesn't need to go to school. I don't need to go to work, so hopefully he can recover in that time. To all my Hindu friends and Hindu people who are watching, happy Diwali, happy Deepavali, right? Enjoy the holiday. Anyway, peace out.